Welcome to Spyder Auto's taillight installation guide for 2010 Up Camaro. Before we get started, you'll need the following: a 3/8 drive ratchet, 10mm socket, and a panel popper. Locate and remove the 3 plastic retainers using the panel popper tool, and then remove the black plastic cover panel. There are 3 10mm nuts securing each of the Camaro's 4 taillights for a total of 12 retaining nuts. After removing the bolts, disconnect the wiring harness from the taillight as shown. Since we're installing LED lights, we will not be reusing the bulb sockets, so we're leaving them in the assembly here. Now it's time to remove the chrome taillight bezels. The bezels are secured by 2 tabs along the edges. Loosen them by releasing the top set of retaining tabs, which you must access from inside the trunk. Carefully pop the bezels free using a flathead screwdriver as shown. For reference, take a look at how the tabs are arranged on the taillight bezels. After removing the bezels, the taillight assemblies should now come free. Remove them and set them aside. Feed the wiring harness for your Spyder taillights through the rear panel as you seat the taillight. Make sure to align all the mounting studs as you do so. After seating the taillights, go ahead and reinstall the chrome bezels around each of the tail lamps. Connect the wiring for your LED taillights to the factory wiring harness. After connecting the harness, reinstall the 3 10mm mounting nuts that secure each of the taillights for a total of 12. Be sure to connect the harness for each of the taillights. After you finish each side, replace the cover panel and reinstall the plastic retainers that secure it. After you've done that for both sides, that's it. We're done. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your Spyder LED taillights for your 2010 and Up Camaro. Videography and voiceover by Nitro Nick.